module, we will discuss application of Mendelian principles in human genetics, mode of inheritance of traits. Specific features are there for each pattern of inheritance. In autosomal dominant pattern of inheritance, both male and females are affected and traits are expressed in heterozygous condition. There is a transmission from male to male, then male to female transmission, then female to male transmission is there. This type of transmission is called vertical transmission. This type of inheritance is found in achondroplasia, that is short limbed dwarfism, and also in Huntington disease, where there is a chronic degeneration of central nervous system takes place. In case of autosomal recessive pattern of inheritance, both males and females are affected, and affected males and females are in the single ship, that is both brothers and sisters are affected. In case of consanguineous marriage, there is every chance of appearance of autosomal recessive pattern of or recessive characters. In this pattern of inheritance, it is not possible to trace the traits through a family, and this type of inheritance is also termed as horizontal pattern of inheritance. In X-linked dominant inheritance, where both males and females are affected, but females are more severely affected than males. Here transmission occurs from female to female, female to male, but there is no transmission from father to son. There is no transmission from father to son. X-linked dominant pattern of inheritance observed in case of vitamin D resistant rickets. In case of X-linked recessive inheritance, where exclusively males are affected, here transmission occur from father to the grandson through the carrier daughter. So, here females are never affected and females are act as carrier, and there is no male to male direct transmission, only through carrier daughter transmission occur, and this pattern of inheritance is also termed as crisscross pattern of inheritance. This type of inheritance also observed in hemophilia, where there is no coagulation of blood due to the absence of your factor 8 or coagulating agent. Also in case of your color blindness, red green color blindness, this type of inheritance observed. In case of Y-linked inheritance, here only transmissions occur from male to male transmission occur, and here only males are affected exclusively and females are never affected. So, this type of inheritance is called Y-linked inheritance or Hollandrick inheritance. It is found in case of HY histocompatibility antigen. In the case of mitochondrial inheritance or cytoplasmic inheritance, there is a transmission only through females, that is from female to female transmission and female to male transmissions, but there is no transmission from male to female transmission does not occur. So, this type of transmission is called cytoplasmic transmission or mitochondrial transmissions. And in case of Leber's optic atrophy, which is a type of hereditary blindness, mitochondrial inheritance is found. So, key concepts and module summary is given. There are some books for reading. Thank you for participation in our online course.